Imagine holding the future in your hands, a device so powerful, so sleek, and so astonishingly compact that it changes the way you experience everything. From work to entertainment, from creativity to play. And the new iPad Mini 8 is not just an upgrade. It's a statement, a device that redefines what a small tablet can do. And it's ready to fit seamlessly into your life in ways you didn't even know were possible. Apple has always been about pushing boundaries, and the iPad Mini 8 is a testament to their relentless pursuit of perfection, combining portability with performance in a way that feels almost magical. From the moment you hold it, the first thing you notice is the design, slim, elegant, with edges so smooth it almost feels sculpted to your hand. The screen is stunning, a liquid retina display that brings colors to life with astonishing vibrancy. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, editing photos, or diving into the most detailed illustrations, every pixel is optimized, every color calibrated, making your content pop like never before. And it's bright enough to be used comfortably even in direct sunlight, perfect for those moments when you're out and about or relaxing at a cafe. Performance is where the iPad Mini 8 truly shines. Powered by Apple's latest A-series chip, this device handles everything you throw at it with ease. Multitasking is fluid, apps open instantly, and heavy-duty creative software runs without a hitch. Whether you're sketching with the Apple Pencil, editing for K-video, or managing complex spreadsheets, the iPad Mini 8 keeps up effortlessly, proving that small doesn't mean underpowered. It's also designed with efficiency in mind, delivering all this power without draining the battery too quickly, so you can rely on it all day long without hunting for a charger. And speaking of the Apple Pencil, this device elevates the way you interact with your iPad. Note-taking, drawing, and annotating documents become intuitive and responsive. The iPad Mini 8 supports the second-generation Apple Pencil, which magnetically attaches and charges wirelessly, meaning you always have it ready, and it's seamlessly integrated into your workflow. From creative projects to professional tasks, this combination of hardware and software makes your ideas come to life in ways that feel natural and effortless. The iPad Mini 8 also reimagines connectivity. With ultra-fast Wi-Fi and optional 5G capabilities, you're no longer tethered to slow networks or frustrated by buffering. Streaming, downloading, and video calls are smoother and more reliable than ever. Whether you're at home, traveling, or somewhere in between, the speakers are compact but incredibly powerful, delivering rich stereo sound that immerses you in music, movies, and games without the need for external devices. And for photography and video, the upgraded camera system captures sharp, vivid images and crystal-clear video calls, making it perfect for social media, professional work, or simply preserving your favorite moments. What makes the iPad Mini 8 stand out is its balance of portability and capability. It's small enough to carry anywhere, slipping into a bag or even a large pocket, yet it's capable enough to replace a laptop in many scenarios. Students, professionals, creatives, and travelers will all find a use for it that fits perfectly into their lifestyle. The device is also remarkably durable, with robust construction that withstands everyday use, plus features like Touch ID for security and privacy, ensuring that your personal data remains safe and accessible only to you. And then there's iPadOS, which turns this small powerhouse into an incredibly versatile tool. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and packed with features that enhance productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Split-view multitasking, drag-and-drop functionality, and a wealth of app integrations make it feel like a device that adapts to your needs, rather than forcing you to adapt to it. Every update brings new possibilities, making the iPad Mini 8 a device that evolves over time, keeping it fresh and relevant long after you first unbox it. The design choices Apple made also elevate the user experience. Rounded corners, thin bezels, and a lightweight body combine aesthetics with comfort. The iPad Mini 8 doesn't just feel like a tool. It feels like an extension of yourself. Every interaction is tactile and satisfying. From typing on the on-screen keyboard to swiping through apps or scrolling through pages of content, it's a device that invites you to engage, to explore, to create. Portability doesn't mean compromise. With a battery life that easily lasts a full day, you can use the iPad Mini 8 from morning to night for work, study, or entertainment, without interruption. And when it's time to recharge, the USB-C port allows for fast, efficient charging, getting you back up and running in no time. This level of convenience is what makes the device truly remarkable. It adapts to your life rather than the other way around. For creatives, the iPad Mini 8 opens new horizons. Digital artists, designers, and illustrators will find a tool that's precise, responsive, and incredibly versatile. The display, paired with the Apple Pencil, allows for pressure-sensitive strokes, fluid lines, and incredible accuracy, turning every sketch, drawing, or design into a professional quality creation. But it's not just for artists. The device also enhances note-taking, reading, research, and brainstorming, making it a perfect companion for students, writers, and professionals alike. Entertainment on the iPad Mini 8 is nothing short of extraordinary. The high-resolution display and immersive speakers make streaming movies, shows, and games an absolute pleasure. Games are smooth, responsive, and visually stunning, thanks to the powerful graphics capabilities, making this small device feel like a pocket-sized gaming console. And with access to Apple Arcade, countless apps, and services, entertainment options are virtually limitless. Accessibility is another key feature. Apple has always prioritized making technology usable for everyone, and the iPad Mini 8 is no exception. Features like voiceover, magnification, and customizable controls ensure that everyone can interact with the device comfortably and effectively. It's a tool designed to empower users of all ages and abilities, extending Apple's mission of inclusivity and innovation. In terms of style and personalization, the iPad Mini 8 offers a range of colors and accessories, allowing users to make the device truly their own. From cases and keyboard attachments to styluses and screen protectors, every detail has been considered to enhance your experience while keeping the sleek aesthetic intact. It's a device that feels premium, not just in function, but in form, showing that Apple continues to lead in combining design with technology. The iPad Mini 8 is also incredibly versatile in professional settings. Whether you're taking it to meetings, using it for presentations, or managing tasks on the go, it performs flawlessly. The combination of performance, portability, and features like Apple Pencil support and multitasking capabilities make it a powerful tool for anyone who needs to stay productive while on the move. For entrepreneurs, students, educators, and creatives, it's a device that adapts to your needs, enhancing efficiency and creativity in every situation. Security and privacy remain top priorities, with Touch ID and advanced encryption keeping your data secure. Apple continues to set the standard in protecting user information, giving you peace of mind that your personal and professional data remain safe. Ultimately, the iPad Mini 8 is more than just a tablet. It's a compact powerhouse, a creative studio, a mobile office, a streaming device, and a gaming console, all wrapped into one sleek, beautifully designed package. It's small enough to carry anywhere, yet powerful enough to handle almost anything you need. It invites you to do more, to create more, to enjoy more, and to live more fully in a world where technology should simplify, enhance, and inspire. Every detail of the iPad Mini 8 has been crafted with purpose, every feature designed to elevate your experience, and every interaction engineered to feel natural and satisfying. It's not just about what the device can do, it's about how it transforms the way you live, work, and play. Holding the iPad Mini 8, you're holding not just a tablet, but a gateway to possibility, a tool that amplifies your creativity, your productivity, and your enjoyment of life. This is